Four condensers, each of capacity 4 microfarad, are connected as shown in the figure. Vp minus Vq is equal to 15 volts. The energy stored in the system is. So now in this question, we can assume a situation like this, that 4 microfarad capacitor is here, and we have one capacitor like this, and another capacitor like this, and another capacitor like this. All are of 4 microfarad, and they are saying that potential difference between P and Q, so that means VPQ we can say, which is 15 volts, which is given in the question. So first of all, in order to calculate the energy, you need to find out the equivalent capacitance of this circuit. So equivalent capacitance, what should be the equivalent capacitance? That is our question. So we know that these two are in parallel, right? So these two are in parallel. That means we can have an equivalent circuit diagram. 4 microfarad. These two are in parallel. So this will give you 8 microfarad, right? That would give you C1 plus C2 only. And again, there is another 4 microfarad, correct? And this is Q point. So now in order to find C equivalent, so 1 upon C equivalent will be 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. This is series formula, right? So using series formula, we can say that this is going to be 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. Take the LCM, which will be 8. So this will be 2 plus 1 plus 2. So this will give you 5 upon 8. So I should say 1 upon C equivalent is 5 by 8. So C equivalent will be 8 by 5 microfarad, correct? Now you got this C equivalent. Now we know the formula for energy, right? So before energy, now we can say that we have the capacitor like this, which has the equivalent capacitance C equivalent between points P and Q, and they have provided the potential drop. Okay, that means we can assume we have kept a battery of 15 volts, okay, by which energy is getting conserved in this condenser. So that energy is going to be U is equal to half C equivalent into V square. So that would be half C equivalent is 8 by 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V equivalent is 15. So 15 into 15, correct? So this will be 5 into 3. This will be 4. So the net equivalent is coming out to be 4 into 3 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule, right? Now we want answer in ergs, right? So we know that pretty clearly that 1 joule value is 1 joule is going to be 10 to the power 7 ergs, right? This is the standard format. This is SI unit, this is CGS unit, right? So now we got the value, which is the value of U, 4 into 3 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 joules. So we need to convert this thing in erg, right? So this will be 12 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 7 ergs, right? So now we converted this value of joule into ergs by multiplied with 10 to the power 7. Now this will give you 180 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 7 ergs, which should give you, if you can take, so you will get 1800 ERGS. This should be your final value. Okay, so which option is correct? So option number 2 should be the right choice.